Resource Academy was apt on the need to expose fresh engineering graduates from higher institution of learning to practical works in order to bridge their knowledge in the construction industry. The convener of Engr, engineer Omolola Adetona, made the call when she led some fresh graduates to some construction firms in Lagos to see a first-hand project away from theoretical works done in college. Dr. Adetona noted that after a week training and series of classroom assignments and on-site experience would help sharpen their engineering knowledge. She noted that all fields of engineering, be it mechanical engineers, civil engineers, facility managers, and electrical engineers, require site exposure. Adetona admonished government to create jobs opportunities for young engineers through skills development and trainings. She also said continuous training for fresh engineering graduates as well as trainers in the engineering profession create more windows for exposure to opportunities which would help in addressing unemployment as well as incessant building collapse in their environment.
The role that we feel the government could play is creating job opportunities by skill development and training. And our children, our young fresh graduates of engineering are trained continuously. We now have a placement for them. Let us give them positions where they can take responsibility for what they have been trained to know. Let us also go further and train the trainers and expose them to also opportunities can develop our country. Let it not be business as usual anymore. We have professionals that have been trained and are highly intelligent that can impact on the immediate environment and take Nigeria to higher positions. Let's say no to building collapses. Let's say no to quackery. Let's say no to not developing our young graduates of engineering.
We have a lot of big impacts. It helps us to bridge the gap between the young ones and the old ones that are knowledgeable. We have a lot of elders in the profession that are very knowledgeable. And because of the situation of things, the young engineers are catching up to them. The experience is important for engineers. Apart from the theoretical knowledge, gaining experience, exposure is key. Handling things and creativity. So I feel this is important. This is a big deal. It's so fulfilling to have professional colleagues that are coming around, gaining more. We need people with experience. We need young people with experience, young people that are very confident of handling things. And that's very jamming, that's very important.
Very eye-opening and very insightful. One thing I'll be taking away from this, from my participation in this era, Section 7 is that it's been able to give me convictions of exactly what I wanted to do in civil engineering, which is design of civil structures. So that had been the much that I've gained.
Convention and post-tension slabs on, what goes into the building of this facility now. They are showing us all the things that we need to know on how the structure is coming up into shape and all of that. They are currently telling us the advantages of the post-tension slab as why it is better than the conventional slab. So yeah, that's some practical aspect too. So this internship program is basically to groom and teach us what we need to know in our career. After our internship, wherever we get retained or placed at, we will definitely have learned a lot of things, and we will not be novice on the site. When we get to the site, we will be able to meet up and keep up with what's going on. So yes, it's a training and learning process for us. So the internship is actually an amazing idea, and I'm grateful to be part of it.